one of the cool things about past homeowners is they come back because they like what you did before. So this is a homeowner that I did a job for almost 20 years ago. She bought this house, had been living here for a while, new place. And now we're ripping out concrete, tile, plaster, redesigning the pool, making it fit better, look better, to fit in with the ADU in the background. So yeah, today it's demo. So a lot of noise. I'm just super excited about this job with the homeowner, doing business with them again. They're the great people. So this will be a fun one to keep an eye on, and you'll see how it comes along. Thanks. Back on the job again, and today we're doing rebar. So we're putting a rebar on the end of the pool there to make the pool a different shape down there. And we're adding love seats, adding a big reef area off of the steps right here as well, which you'll see next time I show you. So anyway, the job's coming along good.